Let's take a look at some tactical protective gloves, and these are anti-slip, impact resistant. If you guys can see that, they have the hard shell plastic in here. They're sweat absorbent, breathable, quick and dry. The best thing is that they're Velcro tie at the end, so you could tighten up for the extra fit. I like the extra little rubber ends that it has. Every single corner that you hit has that extra rubber end. It has this very hard shell here that you can use here. And I've seen these used in airsoft, of course, because when you get hit with an airsoft or paintball, it really hurts. So these could be used for either or. Any kind of tactical motions that you're going to do. It has that extra silicone grips that you could grab onto certain things. You know, it won't. It's an anti-slip, so anything that you attach, you could hold on to. Leather. All right, these are all leather made, and of course they have that extra breathable material right in between the fingers. All right, so if you're wet and they get dry really quick too. So to test them out, it's very simple. All you got to do is open them up. So let's open one up, and that's pretty much what you do. And then when you could tie it down, you could tie it down here as much as tie as you want here on this area. Very flexible, easy to grab on things, feels very comfortable motion wise, closing completely your glove. You're able to grab onto certain things and make sure it doesn't slip off. I like that it has this little hanger, so at the end of the day you want to make sure if you get them wet or you want to dry them up, this is a way you can do that. But putting them on, it's not that difficult. Taking them off, it's even easier because like I said, it's like an anti-slip area, and if you guys can see in and out, first time using it, I recommend using it a couple times so it could fit in your glove perfectly fine with your hand, and it won't be difficult to take them in and out. But every single corner has a little rubber end at the end, so anything you bump into it, you won't feel it. The glove gets the impact first. Very simple, easy to use, easy to put on. Just make sure you measure your hand prior to buying it. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.